In this video, we'll be looking at how to record an investigation and its findings on the IRIS system. Firstly, to navigate to the system, from the Safety Office webpage, you want to hover over Incident Reporting and click on Information for Safety Officers. On the right-hand side, you click on this Login to IRIS button. And this will take you to the homepage. From the homepage, we want to jump into the Incidents list. From here, there are a number of ways that you can get to the investigation, but the quickest is to scroll down to the investigation section and click on the reference number for the investigation you want to open. Record the findings of the investigation, click Edit Investigation to open it up, and we can now start working through the fields on this screen. Firstly, we're asked to record the members of the investigation team that took part in the investigation activity of the system. We then have the opportunity to record a brief summary of the investigation in this field here. Next section is a follow-up to do with risk assessments. So the question asks, was an update to any risk assessments required following this incident and investigation? Answering yes will prompt us to upload the new risk assessment and the date that it was reviewed. Again, for all dates, I can either open up the calendar or manually type in the date. Next, we have the section for unsafe acts and conditions. This functions exactly the same as the unsafe acts and conditions section in the DSO review. The guidance document is available to assist you in selecting the correct options in both unsafe acts and unsafe conditions. As before, these options are multi-select, so you're able to select all of the unsafe acts or unsafe conditions that are applicable to this incident. If none are applicable, the correct option is none. In this investigation completion section, we need to upload a report of the investigation. Clicking on the button, I can then browse to where I've saved the investigation and upload it. Within this white workflow box, I can click on this box and then done. And doing this will now mark the investigation out. In this bottom section here, we have the option to create more actions, if any were identified as part of the investigation. Within the supporting documents section here, we can upload any additional documentation that was used as part of the investigation. Once I'm happy that I've completed all the fields I need to and added any actions or supporting documentation, I can click Save Changes. See, the status has now changed to closed. I navigate back to the incident. I can see that this incident that we've just completed the investigation for is now marked as closed. The DSO review status is also closed. There is now no further action required on this investigation. For any further assistance on how to complete investigations on the IRIS system, please check the Safety Office website for the guidance materials and documentation available on there. Thank you.